2004 indeed has been kind to financial markets. Stocks are at all-time highs and crypto has made very respectable gains as well. For instance, Bitcoin started this year at $42,000 and reached all-time high at end of December by briefly surpassing $108,000, which is almost two and a half fold gain in 1 year. And other crypto markets has been making equal gains by rising approximately 100 to 200% gain in last year alone. This is if we are seeing largest crypto markets. But there is one interesting coin which stands out of all of them, and this is XRP. And I think this story is worthwhile to tell because, well, I think this is rather phenomenal because XRP has risen, give or take, 5 to 6 fold in just a couple of months. And why it is so and what we would see in future, this video will answer to that. So let's start. Okay, now we are seeing long-term XRP chart. And as you see, it started to trade at 2017, early 2017, and it were worth cents, and at great peak of late 2017 it shoot to $3. And also it's worthwhile to note that its spectacular rise was followed by equally spectacular decline, as it happens with many crypto coins, and then it reached to approximately 30 cents for, and at that level it actually stood for how much it stood, approximately 3 years. So from August 2018 to February 2021. So it was, yes, it made some gains to 47 cents and it fell to 13 cents. But still, wouldn't call it this is a great market movement considering what happened with other markets and at this time. And yet, at early 2001, it started its journey from 25 cents to almost $2. So nearly tenfold rise in how much it was from January, February, March, yes, till April. It was what I could say. This is phenomenal, and then as phenomenal as it this tenfold rise, where it fell back to 57 cents, then rose to $1.40, and then it fell again to 35 cents. So from early 2021 till mid 2022, it went from 22 cents to $2 to 50 cents to $1.40, and then back to 35 cents. If this is not phenomenal market movement, I don't know what is. And after that, it continued its boring fluctuations between I would say 35 cents and 65 cents by averaging around 50 cents per one coin. So for next couple of years, it did precisely nothing. And it was all it seemed, right? Because, well, it made its moves in 2017 and in 2001, and this coin looked pretty much done. But no, Donald Trump got reelected and promised golden age of America and to make crypto capital of the world, no other place than United States. So every cryptocurrency in the world spiked, and it was evident in no place like XRP. As you see in this chart, it started to trade at 50 cents at late October, precisely the same place it was in May 2022 or June 2018. And from 50 cents, it went to approximately $3.3 in early January. So this is sixfold gain in what? 2.5 months. This equals the same spectacular rises as it had in late 2017 when it rose from 24 cents to $3, and early 2021 when it rose from 22 cents to nearly $2. So yeah, this was phenomenal, and it was fueled by two main reasons. Firstly, as I told previously, Donald Trump's re-election made extreme optimism in crypto markets because, well, it might be capital of crypto or it might not, I don't know, but market perception is that's simply good sign. And secondly, it won SEC lawsuit, not lawsuit. Excuse me, my bad pronunciation, but it had case against Securities and Exchange Commission about whether or not it's security, and XRP side won. So that also doubly fueled all this enthusiasm, and this reflected to XRP prices. And then in last phase, also I would say subjectively, speculative frenzy came in because this high price meant that all meme coins that are based on XRP now are quite expensive because of the nominal price rise. So many speculative investors and many speculative capital will start to flock from Solana on XRP because of this matter. So question now is, what will happen? Will this rise will continue? And as some crypto fanatics, specifically XRP fanatics, will say, this will be only beginning and XRP will rise 100-fold to like one at least $100, or will this will be the same pattern as we witnessed in 2017 and in 2021, which was height of previous bull markets in cryptocurrencies in general and in XRP particular. Well, probably my money is on previous performance because the nature of XRP from last 8 years clearly indicates that this is the coin which trades flat for several years and then it makes huge spikes. And then these spikes are evidently and logically reverted to previous levels. This is how financial markets work. If you look at every stock, every commodity, and every other asset, you will see that all these spikes, whatever they happen, if they are so steep, they usually revert at the same manner they once rise. So here probability are on that side. But at the same time, this doesn't mean that this rise wouldn't continue for next couple of weeks or even longer, and it might reach another new levels. That's completely possible, but don't think for a second this type of rise wouldn't end with like 80 or 90% correction, because in 99 cases out of the 100 it does. And if I have to lay a wager, I would say history repeats itself as it usually does in financial markets. So no, I wouldn't agree to conspiracy theorists and hardcore XRP fans about some new, I don't know, new paradigm in financial markets where XRP will make dominant role in new finance. Simply world is slightly more complicated than that. But maybe I'm wrong, maybe they're right, who knows. But if I see this chart, I'm saying that here our money is on past price behavior and probabilities are what I just described. But nevertheless, this is interesting event. If you are looking at chart, six-fold raise is phenomenal, and maybe it will go to tenfold raise. It remains to be seen. But this video was meant for me to show historical patterns. It was phenomenal rise in last couple of months, but if you saw history of this coin, actually this is expected of this coin. And past performance usually reflects in future prices in these cases as well. So thanks for watching, and I hope it made have you some food for thought and not to jump to quick conclusions and jump into speculative coins without further context. So thanks for watching, and let's see my next video.